you ever arrived in a new city and wondered how to book a hotel in English? Do you know what to say when you call a hotel or check in at the reception? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple and practice English phrases that will help you feel confident and prepared for your hotel stay. Let's get started. I'm so excited to be in Paris. I want to see the Eiffel Tower, visit some museums, and try the local cafes. But first, I need to book a hotel close to the city center. I wonder which area is safe and has good restaurants nearby. Hello, I'd like to book a room for 3 nights, please.
Of course. What type of room would you like? Single, double, or twin?
A double room with a city view, please.
Great. Do you need breakfast included?
Yes, please. Also, is there free Wi Fi and parking?
Yes, both are included. We also have a fitness center and a rooftop pool.
Oh, that's wonderful. What about laundry service or room service?
Laundry service is available daily, and room service is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Perfect. Could I request a quiet room on a higher floor?
Absolutely. We'll make a note of that.
Thank you so much. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept both card and cash.
By the way, could you recommend some nearby attraction? I really want to see the Eiffel Tower, but also maybe some museums or parks.
Sure, the Louvre is just 15 minutes by metro. The Musée d'Orsay is about 20 minutes away. And if you want a nice park, Luxembourg Gardens is a lovely place to walk and relax.
That sounds amazing. Are there any good local cafes or bakeries nearby?
Yes, there's a famous bakery 2 blocks away. And for coffee, try Café de Flore. It's very popular with tourists.
Fantastic. Can I also ask if there are any weekend markets or local events happening this week?
Absolutely. There's a street market every Saturday near the river and a local music festival this Friday evening.
I like to book a room for. I like to book a room for 3 nights, please. Do you have availability? What type of room do you recommend?
What type of room would you like? Single, double, or twin?
Is breakfast included? Can I pay by card or cash? Can I pay by card? Could you recommend nearby attraction? Now you know how to book a hotel in English, ask about room types, and even local attractions. Remember, simple polite phrases are enough to make a smooth reservation and feel confident. Tell me in the comment where would you like to travel next and which hotel would you book first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English.